A joint team of Borobekra Police Station, 38th Battalion of Assam Rifles and A-20 CRPF seized over 15 kg of suspected contraband drugs from a passenger engine boat on the Barak River near Chaudarkal village in Jiribam district. According to police, the operation was carried out on Saturday around 6:30 p.m. during routine foot patrolling and area domination duties between Imphal and Chaudarkal, about 4 kilometers south of Borobekra Police Station. And around 7:30 p.m., one such boat traveling from the Tipaimuk side towards Jiribam was intercepted near the riverbank. Upon inspection, officers found one occupant and a sailor on board. The boat was carrying 3 plastic gunny bags and 5 packets wrapped in black plastic. And according to police, the occupant confessed that the bags and packets contained drugs and that he was transporting them from Mizoram via Tipaimuk to Markulin in Kasar district, Assam. He identified himself as Mihir Roy, age 26, son of Kalipot Roy, a resident of Kanakpur, Part 2, Samananda Lane in Assam's Silchar. Subsequent inspection revealed that the 3 gunny bags contained a total of 616 soap cases, each holding brown powder suspected to be brown sugar, collectively weighing 10.096 kg. The 5 black plastic wrapped packets were found to contain 250 plastic pouches filled with small orange tablets marked with R, also suspected to be narcotics. The total weight of these tablets, including packaging, was 5.280 kg. In another incident, Manipur police arrested a man with 10 soap cases containing contraband heroin, number 4, weighing 105.4 grams at Jingamakong under Imphal West District. The man was arrested when police personnel were carrying out checking at Singjame area. The arrested person is identified as 32-year-old MD Azad Jiribam of Irong Chaisaba, Irong Umangkuno in Thobal district. Police also seized a white-colored Maruti A-Star.